My name is Father Benjamin Pinto. I am the parish priest of Immaculate Conception Church, Urwa Mangalore 6. This church has got 160 years of history. In 1965, the people around this Urwa, Bola, Darabel were struggling for their daily or the weekly masses. Then the priest thought of having a parish or the church in Urwa. Then the Carmelite Apostolic Vicar of Mangalore, he was the Right Reverend Monsignor Michael Anthony. People went and met him and told their problem. A result of it, Reverend Father Lawrence de Souza came to offer Mass in Urwa, where the present church, the small hut was built, and weekly Father Lawrence used to come here to offer Mass. But the people of this locality were not happy. They wanted a resident priest here to look after their spiritual needs. And this humble beginning of Urwa by Reverend Father Lawrence de Souza started the history here growing by very slowly but spiritual community with a large number. In 1965, Father came here, stood, and with the people he started to discuss about the parish and the community. But the people around Darabel, Bolo and Urwa, they wanted by all means a church in Urwa, and by this Urwa people were very happy. After Father Lawrence de Souza, Father Joseph Coelho, Father Joseph Noronha served as chaplains here, and then Reverend Father Emmanuel Salvador was succeeded as the first parish priest in 1865. Then he took charge as the first parish priest, thus beginning the Urwa parish. In 1915, Reverend Father A.J. de Souza was the instrumental in bringing the devotion of Our Lady of Pompei to Urwa. In 1915, he went to visit Rome and Italy. Then, that time, the talk of the town of Rome and Italy was the Our Lady of Pompei, the picture which was the miraculous picture at there. Father A.J. de Souza came back holding this miraculous Our Lady of Pompei's picture to Mangalore, and all devotees from surrounded parishes came to Urwa to celebrate this great occasion. He started the shrine in Urwa parish. At the side altar, the Our Lady of Pompei picture was erected, and every week novena and masses were carried on. And thousands people are coming over all parts of from Mangalore to attend this novena and to honor Our Lady of Pompei, usually Our Lady of Holy Rosary. Then, after some years, a separate shrine was constructed by Very Reverend Father Fred Pereira. The present beautiful building at the shrine was erected near the church. When the old church was renovated or actually rebuilt, the altar and the Immaculate Our Lady of Pompei shrine picture was kept, and even now it is there, and people come and pray and get their favors. Every year in the month of December, we celebrate the feast of Our Lady of Pompei. December 8th, the feast of Immaculate Conception, is the feast of our parish, and the same week, more or less, it comes on second Sunday of every year, the second Sunday of December, we celebrate the feast of Our Lady of Pompei in a grand manner. Now, at present, not only the novena in the evening mass, but even on Wednesdays morning, 10 o'clock, we have the adoration, 10:30 mass in honor of Our Lady of Pompei, followed by novena and prayer for the sick people. And Wednesday evening, 5 o'clock, there is a mass in honor of Our Lady of Pompei, followed by novena and prayer for the sick. The people around Mangalore, they love our Mother Mary, in a special way, Our Lady of Pompei. So whoever comes here, especially the students, the planters, and the businessmen, they visit this shrine, and Mother Mary blesses all of them.